name is Horace Wellington. I'm from Deltona, Florida. I wanted to go solar because it's a thing of the future, really. The sun is there, it's a natural, and Florida is a natural sun state, so it's a place for it, really. I met the first rep of the company, and I called up the city, and then from there I went to Albany. And I checked them out, and they said, it's a reputable company. I haven't had any problems with them so far. So I said, okay, you don't have to pay anything. Let's start. That's the key thing. A lot of people don't understand or don't know that you don't have to put any money up front. So far, from it's been set up, seems okay. And I was informed by the company that if there's ever a problem, they'll be always there to call them, and they'll come and fix it. And it has a warranty, and I'd recommend it to anyone. Recommend it to one friend of mine, and he's very happy. And also I recommend it to another friend all the way in Georgia.